Hey guys, it's Kara from thatbeautyaddict.info, and today I have another unboxing of Charlotte Tilbury that I want to show you. So let's get started. So I'm actually not sure what we're unboxing today. Let's see. So I've got a couple of things coming. Oh, look at this. Oh, awesome. Look at this. Look what I got. And I can't wait to do a video on the difference between these two products. I got the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, which I'm running low on, so I got another one. And this is new, the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray Matte Blur. So basically the difference between these two products is this is the original. And the original, when you spray your face, it does give you a more glowy, dewy finish. And I have not tried this product yet, but this is supposed to give you a very matted airbrush finish. So this one is really good if, say you're doing makeup on a bride, or you're going somewhere and it's very hot and humid and you know you're going to perspire or sweat. This would be awesome on your skin. You definitely would benefit from this. It'll help with the oils coming in on your skin. Keep your makeup looking matted for 16 hours. It's amazing. So I have to try this. I haven't tried it yet. And then this one is the regular one. This is the one that, like I said, it does give you more of a dewy finish. This is the one that Charlotte is known for. What I love about the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, the original, is, like I said, it does give you a dewy finish. It does help set your makeup for 16 hours or longer. And it's great for wrinkly, older skin because it does help with makeup settling in the fine lines. It will go in and sort of smooth out the fine lines and plump the skin, as well as give it a glow. I also like to take my ring finger after I do my makeup, especially my concealer around my eyes, spray my ring finger and then pat this into the concealer on my eyes. And it's like magic. It just takes that, like that crepey look out of underneath the eyes. It really smooths out the eye and makes it look brighter and flawless. So these are the two products that I got today. And like I said, this one I'm running low on, so I needed another. And this one I haven't even tried yet. So I'm going to definitely do a demonstration on this one and maybe the two together so you could see the difference. So anyway, I just want to let you know I am a Magic Beauty Stars affiliate with Charlotte, and I'm going to drop my link below in the comments where you can purchase these fine items, as well as my discount code, and you'll get 15% off your very first online purchase with Charlotte. I will tell you that my discount code does not include virtual consultations, bundles, or any special pricing, because any bundles or special pricing has already been discounted, and my discount won't work with that. But it'll work like if you were to buy this product and this product separately and use my discount, you would get 15 off on each product, if that makes any sense. So anyway, I hope you liked my video, and I hope you like my unboxing videos. This is always fun. I love to unbox products that are either sent to me by Charlotte or products that I order. I'm also going to put my link below if you are interested in becoming a Magic Beauty Stars affiliate with Charlotte. You might be interested in doing that as well, and basically doing what I do. And also too, just to let you know, if you are a makeup artist, you might want to apply for Charlotte's Pro Artist program. That works very nicely with the Magic Beauty Stars program, because as a pro artist with Charlotte, you get 30% off, And sometimes throughout the year, she actually gives you 40 and sometimes 50% off. So it is kind of a nice savings if you are a makeup artist and you use these products on your customers. And of course, the Magic Beauty Stars program is awesome because I get to promote and sell these products to my clients, and I get to make a little bit of money. So it's fun. So anyway, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to help you, whether it's with color matching or if you have any questions about Charlotte's products, I would love to help you. Once again, all my information is down below in the description, and I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share my video. It's greatly appreciated when you do. And I hope you're having a wonderful day. And tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so I hope those of you that celebrate, you have a wonderful Thanksgiving and a wonderful holiday season. Have a great day. Bye.